Let's move over to connections to see more. In my connections dashboard, I can determine at a glance what I need to focus on, and I can act on it right in context. On the top right, I have the new Notification Center, which provides real-time alerts to help my team focus on items that demand their attention, which keeps them engaged in relevant conversations. Speed was of the essence, and the team was creating and sharing content all the time. The new view on the right gives me instant access to the recently visited content that matters to me. On the left, I can build custom streams, which help me see the right information from the right people at the right time. As the team lead, it was my job to get them working together. This new Getting Started capability provides an interactive user experience that guides my new team members through a set of steps to fill the missing parts in their profile, confirm their skills, build their network, and choose users and communities to follow. This personalized experience jumpstarts their ability to start collaborating, and they're able to get improved user adoption and reduce time to productivity. The internal code name for the Collaboration Zone project was Evergreen. We built this community specifically to define, plan, and launch our Evergreen project. I created a compelling landing page for our community, directing my team to the content I wanted them to see: our mission, progress towards our timeline, and I added the community stream directly to the landing page. We were moving fast, and our new hires were still learning who's who in the company. They had a lot of questions, and they needed answers quickly. Here, I specify the questions that I have, any additional details, I can categorize it with tags, specify when I need this answered by, and voila. With analytics, the experts are immediately identified using the connection's social graph, and the question gets posted to their stream for their action. Powerful, powerful stuff. Next, remember, we had to deliver new innovation in record time. Since my team was not co-located, video proved to be fast, reliable, and a great way to bring my team together in a virtual face-to-face meeting. Inside the meeting, we can create assignments and meeting minutes, and the recorded meeting is sent back to the community. This creates alignment across the project team, which speeds our efforts and improves our effectiveness by reducing the need for lots of meetings. Now, as part of our product launch, we had to bring in an external creative agency to help us with content and messaging. I can individually share a file with external users right from here, or without creating a separate collaboration space, I can add them to this one. Remember, they are not Greenwell employees, and Greenwell is using IBM's cloud offerings to make this happen. To engage with external users, all I need to do is invite them using their email address. Now, I add some additional details about the person, and off the invite goes. Now back in the community, I get the file that I need, and with just one more click, I am now co-editing with Mitch, all in less than 1 minute. But wait, there's more. Our mobile team members took advantage of file sync to ensure they always had a local copy wherever they go. To add a file to sync, I click here, and it gets automatically pushed to all my devices. So, let's go mobile. When I launch the mobile app, the files are immediately synced so I can work while I'm offline. I can travel stress-free knowing that the latest version of my files will always be available. And it's secure since the files are encrypted. The new mobile app allows me to specify the content or communities that I'm interested in by tapping the star in the top right of the screen. Now this community has been added to my favorites, as you can see in the top left, giving me one-tap access to the projects that I care the most about. On the right-hand side, I have a history view, just like I showed earlier in the dashboard. Here, I can see all the things that I've accessed by date, and with just one more tap, go back to it, eliminating the need to spend time searching. Now, I can swipe through the content, which gives me instant access to the information I need to be productive while on the move. Now, I've shown you a lot so far, so let me show you more. After seeing the success of our external customer experience, we wanted to take what we learned and apply that to Greenwell's employee portal. Here, you can see my intranet homepage has been personalized to show me the content I care about, aggregating information from my HR system, my activity stream, learning courses, trending topics, and content recommendations. Expertise location helped increase our productivity and efficiency. So, we integrated that connection service into our intranet. Now, typing my keywords gives me the top experts at Greenwell specialized in that area. Using analytics, we're able to give each person an influence score. This score is a combination of the user's network, contributions, and the reaction of others to that person's content. This allows me to find experts that have been endorsed by others, and it means that expertise location is self-reinforcing. The more people work like this, the better it gets. And that's why we also decided to personalize the profile experience to highlight what matters to us. Another important need that we heard from our Greenwell employees was giving them quick access to their communities. So, we also integrated that connection service into our intranet, making the experience much more personalized for our employees. This is the Green Pulse page. This one page shows the power of a true social portal. We created this page with all project stakeholders to give them an aggregated view of our product launch, opportunities from our CRM system, meeting reports, social stream, and more. Connections is the essential social fabric that helped Greenwell drive business velocity. Through open standards and our extensible API set, we can make magic happen. So, was this project a success? Well, let me show you. Revenue was up 20%, customer satisfaction was up 10%, the number of customers was up 15%, social media sentiment was positive, and this project was a complete success. I'm Luis Benitez, and I'm a Greenweller, and I'm helping build a smarter workforce.